Going with a 1-0 victory. What do you think about the defense tonight?
Well, I think we come out here, do what coach asks us to do, you know, execute the coach's plan, and he told us just keep it easy, keep calm, and try to get a foot in the final.
Already 1 foot into the final, and you guys have to put more on the scoreboard. Are you disappointed that you guys didn't even probably score 1 or 2 more?
Yeah.
A little bit more comfort?
Yeah, definitely disappointed. We get a few chances, you know. Should have put them away, but we have to work on that on the training ground.
You play in the central midfield position. So far, most of the teams haven't played at central position. Was it uncomfortable? You just adjusted easily?
Yeah, definitely a bit uncomfortable in the first few minutes, but once I got in the groove, I got comfortable with it.
What's the difficulty? What's the difference between the central midfield and playing centre back?
You know, centre back you have a little bit more time, you know, you see the whole game. Central you have to kind of see what's around you, be aware, so it's more difficult.
Alright, certainly. And what do you think about the team chances now? 1 foot into the... Well, just say, half a foot into the final.
Well, we are the most confident team right now, I believe that. So we're going for it all.
I know you guys didn't get to recover in regards to how you wanted to over the weekend because of the incident. Did that play in your mind? On your mind? Did that play any factor in your mind? Are you guys in that siege mentality? We're going to turn everything. We're going to do this for that.
Well, when we went to training, the guys were a bit down, but the coach motivated us and told us we have a cup still to win. So we just kept going, you know.
So that's use that as motivation.
Yeah. Thank you.